morning, students. Our topic is affirmative to negative sentences. Affirmative sentences means when we are speaking positively, आपण त्याला होकारार्थी वाक्य असं म्हणतो. And when we say negative, the meaning is very clear that it has no or not. नकारार्थी वाक्य. So there may be a simple question. Change affirmative to negative or vice versa. So let's start with these sentences. Have a look at the first. Tagore loved poetry. Now, if you compare this sentence with the second sentence, father was doubtful whether I did it. Just compare. You will see that in this sentence, there is one word which can be easily changed to negative. पहा, आपला प्रश्न काय आहे? आपल्याला होकारार्थी वाक्याचं नकारार्थी करायचं आहे. सो जनरली व्हॉट डू वी डू? आपण त्या वाक्यात असा शब्द शोधतो की ज्याचं निगेटिव्ह होऊ शकतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर, फादर वॉज डाउटफुल whether I did it. The only word which can be negative is doubtful. दुसऱ्या कुठल्या शब्दाचं निगेटिव्ह होऊ शकत. So what do we do is we pick up this word and we try to write the answer. Now what is the opposite of doubtful? What is the antonym of doubtful? It is sure. S-U-R-E, sure. Doubtful म्हणजे साशंक आहे आणि शुअर म्हणजे खात्री आहे. सो इफ यू want to convert this sentence to negative, the answer will be father was, verb as it is, not sure whether I did it. This is the usual method of changing affirmative to negative sentences for the lower classes especially. Now if you think of higher classes, you may have some different type of examples. For example, here Rabindranath Tagore loved poetry. No word can be changed to its exactly opposite. शब्द opposite नाही होऊ शकत. So what you have to do is you have to change the meaning to opposite. So you can write Rabindranath Tagore was not without love for poetry. So this is also a way for writing or changing a sentence to negative. This loved we have changed to was not without love. So this is another way of expressing. Have a look at this. His parents were dead. Now here you can easily get the clue. What I said here, same is true here. His parents were dead. This is the word which can be changed to negative. What is the opposite of dead? Dead म्हणजे मृत्युमुखी पडलेले, जिवंत नाही आहे. Opposite we can say alive. So what will be the answer? His parents were not alive, punished. So these sentences are similar, 2 and 3. Number 4 you have already studied while changing the degrees. Which degree is here? Maharashtra's condition is worse than that of the other states. Worse than means the degree is superlative. याच्यामध्ये not आहे का? नाही आहे. When we change it to positive degree, automatically not is used and the sentence becomes negative. So what is the answer? The condition of other stats is not as bad as. We have changed the degree. As bad as that of Maharashtra. So, when you change degree, then also there is possibility that the sentence may be converted to negative. We have used not. The lesson we learnt yesterday, that is the cop and the anthem, also has a question on affirmative and negative sentences. So let's study some textual examples. It is page number 34 from 12th text. And the first example is, the policeman refused to accept Soapy as a clip. The policeman refused to accept Soapy as a clip. Now think of the way we can change this sentence to negative. Isn't it like this? Dead alive like this? See, if you can change a word to negative, and it's easily available. कुठला शब्द easily negative होऊ शकतो? This one. Refused. What is the opposite? Agree. So, what is the answer? The policeman did not agree to accept Soapy as a clerk. The next sentence. Soapy drifted along twice unsuccessful. So which word can be changed to negative? Soapy drifted along twice unsuccessful. This word you can change to successful. Unsuccessful means not successful. So, Soapy drifted along twice not successful. This is so simple. The next example. Soapy stopped his unavailing rackets. Unavailing racket. Now, you know these words. Racket means what he was doing. That raving, dancing, singing, shouting, jumping. Unavailing. Avail means use. Avail means use. Availing means useful. So unavailing means which is not useful. So how will be the negative? Soapy stopped his racket which was not useful. Means here what do you study? What do you find? What is the difference in earlier sentence and this sentence? Here instead of writing not availing like this, we have changed it because that is not the exact antonym. Availing, unavailingचं availing exact antonym नाही आहे. And that is why you have to change the meaning to negative. See, शब्दशः negative न करता अर्थ negative करायचा आहे. And so, Soapy stopped his racket which was not useful. Next sentence on page number 34. The island seemed far away. This is easier for you. The island seemed far away. So which word do you see which can be made negative very easily? That is this, far away. So think of the answer. We are talking about distance. So far away means not near. The island did not seem to, or at all, you can say, at all near. So this seemed, you have converted it did not seem, and far away you have converted to at all near. Away, opposite, near. And not you will add with the verb. Last sentence from that. The island seemed an unattainable Arcadia. The island seemed an unattainable Arcadia. See. So here is the prefix un and the word is unattainable, which can be changed to negative. So the island did not seem an Arcadia which was unattainable. Here is seemed means simple past tense. So you will use was. The island did not seem an Arcadia which was attainable. So this is how. Think of the meaning and try to make a sentence negative. 4 possibilities. Either the word, opposite word can be easily guessed. You can use direct antonym and write the answer. Second, you can make use of without. Third, you can change positive to comparative degree. And fourth, vice versa, comparative to positive. And sometimes you have to just think of the meaning and then try for negative meaning. शब्दशः निगेटिव्ह न करता अर्थाचा विचार करून आपल्याला निगेटिव्ह करावं लागेल. Now let us study the opposite of it. Now